Stone Floor Cleaning Leatherhead by Fabritec Stone Care. As a homeowner, you know the frustration of not being able to get your natural stone floors clean. You've searched high and low for a tile cleaning company in Leatherhead that can handle the job. But you can't find a suitable company. With Fabritec Stone Care, you can say goodbye to dull and lackluster stone and hello to a stunning and vibrant floors. We take your tired, worn-out tiles and transform them into shimmering works of art. We use the highest quality products and techniques to get your floors looking like new again. With Fabritec Stone Care, you can say goodbye to the dirt, grime, and stains that have been plaguing your floors for far too long. So why wait? Try Fabritec Stone Care today and experience the difference for yourself. Your floors will thank you. For the best value and quality, call 0779860860 now.